Alright, this is my Suzuki Boulevard S40 2008. I'm about to replace the OEM muffler with a muffler I got from Cafe Racer X off of eBay. Matter of fact, here, that's where I got this from. I'm currently doing a decibel reading because I'm going to do a before and after. So I'm going to run this and then install the new muffler. And pause. The muffler I'm going to install is the, I guess you pronounce it, Emgo chrome short reverse cone megaphone muffler off of eBay for like $60 from these people from Cafe Racer X. So the OEM muffler is like $300. So we'll see the difference. Okay, this is the OEM muffler, and it has this whining, whistling sound. I don't know if you can hear it on here. I freaking hate that whistle sound. So right here, decibel is Alright, let me try to get rid of this damn whistling sound. Be right back. Okay, we got the muffler removed. As you can see, this is the difference in sizes. You can see like that. Much smaller, shorter. And looks like I won't be able to put this on, the new muffler, because it's bolted on here. So, disadvantage there. That's the size difference. And I don't want to scratch this all up, but you have this little mounting bracket. I'm not sure I'm even going to use this. I may just be able to put the bolt in here and slide it. I don't know if you can see that slide right here. To find probably this hole. Anyway, be right back. Okay, I'm back. New muffler is installed. It's a lot shorter. I ain't gonna lie, I've already ran this thing and it sounds completely different, like a whole different motorcycle now. This is the Emgo short reverse cone muffler, and I'm gonna start it up for you. And oh, I got the decibel thing going again, but I'm talking right now, so that's just my phone. Ignore that. Anyway, let me start her up. As you can tell, that sounds completely different. Decibel reading. And I noticed that it backfires a little bit more. My smoke detector works. don't know if this is too loud or what, but that's idle. I think I'm gonna go ride it around and see. It may be a little too loud. Completely different sounding bike. Hope this helps somebody. Oh, you may wonder, how did he get a fuel gauge on his motorcycle? Okay, I just took it for a little ride around the neighborhood. It's definitely louder. And as you go up and down on the gas, you'll hear a lot of crackling sound that actually sounds cool. Sounds like it's got power, even though we all know it doesn't. Speaking of power, I immediately noticed it has bottom end power. It has a little more bottom end power. I was in like second gear and I rolled that throttle. It actually popped a little 2-inch wheelie, which this bike doesn't normally do. So, not my imagination. It does have a little bit more kick to it, at least on the bottom end. I didn't go taking it on a highway or anything. So, right now, I kind of like it. It's really loud, but not as loud as some of them bikes I hear out there. Anyway, well, this is what it looks like. It went on very easy. It comes with 3 of these little slips. I had to use the largest one of the 3. It's not there now because it's being used. So the other 2 didn't need. You don't have this fancy cover plate here anymore. That I don't like. I will miss that. But it doesn't have that damn whistling sound anymore.